Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I have not been consistent with YouTube, totally get it, but I've been really active on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, please do consider following me. I'll leave my IG handle somewhere on the screen. I am going to be consistent with YouTube as well. I'm planning this series, like a festive series. Yeah, let's see how that goes. If you hear a lot of background noises, I stay in a community where the houses are like really close to each other, so the sounds like just come. I just can't help it. Anyway, let's get started. So for my primer, I'm using the K Beauty primer in orange, and this is a very hydrating primer, so that's what I really like. I'm using my ring finger. For my foundation, I'm using the K Beauty foundation in 130Y medium, just one pump. This is the illuminating primer by Wet n Wild. I'm just using that on the highest points of my cheek because I forgot to mix it in with my foundation. I'm actually aiming for that glowy, dewy kind of, to blend the foundation. I'm using the PAC 231 brush. For concealer, I'm using the PAC Studio Derma. Spraying my face with the Smashbox Primer Water.
I love this fragrance.
Now, this is quite thick. If you're looking for like that full coverage, yeah, you can go for this. To brighten the under eye, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 36 Golden. I need to tell you guys something. I already did shoot this video twice. Yeah, मैंने first time जब shoot किया ना, guess what? मैंने lights ही चालू नहीं किए थे. Like the setup what I have, I didn't even switch the lights on. And मैं सोच रही थी, why is it looking so dark? Like, मतलब so dumb. Then the second time when I was shooting, I was done with the video. Okay, and I was editing the video, and while I was editing the video, I realized that I was not in the frame only. This is the third time I'm recording. To set my under eye, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 25 medium, and this is slightly dark for me and it has a pink undertone, so but I mean, liya hai to khatam kar rahi hu. I love this setting powder, by the way. I just want to get my right shade and it is 20. I can't really find my beauty blender, so I'm just setting it with a brush instead. Brushes also work fine, it's not like that, but I have a dry skin type. That's the reason I like setting it with a beauty blender. I think my skin type has like changed to combination. I don't know, it's kind of weird because maybe because of the weather or something. I had like really dry skin, and now my T-zone is kind of becoming salty, oily. That's where I'm at. That's the life update. For my contour, I'm using this Kiko Milano palette. Yeah, it's dirty, and this is what palette looks like. I should have worn my headband. I just forgot to wear. Yeah, you always want to take the contour upwards. This technique what I'm doing right here is because I have that kind of face. Okay, don't need to follow me. Just do whatever suits your face shape and enhances your features. Don't just follow any influencer blindly, for that matter. Like, Instagram pe na, there are a lot of brands, I don't know if I should say this, that who like who collab with a lot of influencers just because they have a lot of followers. I mean, I get it, you want to promote your products and stuff, but see na, if they are like really influencing in the right way, matlab, I don't know. They just like, I mean, okay, there is a trend thing and everything, they want to try it, all okay, but even if they want to try it or something, they should mention that this trend is for, like, if you're doing something, like suppose that skull trend, what is going on, suppose that it's for this kind of face. I'm going to do a video on that skull face and everything. That's the reason I'm not saying what face shape it's for, but I don't know. There are some brands like that, who just take people who have a lot of followers. Not some, there are a lot of brands. I mean, even if I had a brand, I would obviously want a person who has a lot of followers to promote or whatever. But see what kind of work they're putting out, right? If it's even right, if it's even correct, if it's like technically correct, that's the word I was searching for. Influencer banna na, it's not easy. Because there are you're on a public platform, anybody can say anything to you and you have to take it sportingly. There was a person who on Instagram, I'm not going to take her name or anything, but she was like a huge fan, I guess, of this one influencer on Instagram. the brand had collabed with the influencer, and she put out this technique that was nothing new. You understanding? So मैंने बस बोला था, it was a constructive criticism. Like I'm also open to constructive criticism, you know, that makes you better, that makes your videos better, that makes your content better. So yeah, I just told, like, you know, and everybody, not only me, a lot of people were telling, the commenting matlab, you know, ki this is nothing new, like, you know, everybody knows about it, so what is so new about the influencer putting it out? But maybe that influencer just wanted to, I don't know, showcase the product in that manner or something. So मैंने बस बोला, like, you know, no, I even specified this, that, you know, no offense to the influencer, it's just something that everybody knows about. ऐसा कुछ तो लिखा था मैंने. So this random person, she comes up and she's like, you know, she commented on a collab when I was with Sugar. So I had a collaboration with Sugar Cosmetics, and for the new TVC that's come up, and she commented that no offense to the influencer, the same thing, huh? She's like, no offense to the influencer, but that's nothing new. And I don't want to laugh, but the thing is that I was trying to, you know, mimic what Tapsi had done, like her face shape. I was mimicking that. I don't know. I was just mimicking that, like the way she has put bronzer and everything. I don't know. It was a recreation, bro. Like I don't get it. Like, why do some people want to pull you down? Do you understand what's the meaning of recreation? Or like, if you don't, then don't say anything, like, you know, just keep quiet. If you have something, like, you know, a constructive criticism, I'm totally open for it, like totally. But don't just क्या बोलते हैं, taunt, you know. Just because I am on a public platform, that doesn't mean you can say anything to me. Anyway, I'm using these two. I am like you guys, I am trying to, you know, get new techniques, share it with you guys as well. So I don't know what that girl had against me. मतलब मैं तो यार बोलती हूँ भी कि don't follow me blindly. I'm telling you also, like, don't follow me blindly, because I know everybody's face is different, everybody's nose shape is different, everybody's skin texture type, everything is different, yeah. So how can you just, you know, put out some content that is not relatable to everyone? You understanding? If it's relatable to a certain group of people, mention it and then put the content out with that particular brand ना. मैं वो ही बोल रही हूँ. Like, if I was to collab with a brand, I will obviously, like, you know, write it down that this technique is for this kind of shape or face or whatever. I just don't get the brands these days. What's their mindset about? I just don't get it. I mean, pay someone who knows what they are doing. I'm using the Glam 21 makeup fixer. I'm using the Maybelline Chrome highlighter, which is very, very loved. Don't follow me blindly again. So let's quickly move on to the eyes now. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow stick. इसका ढक्कन गिर गया है. So I'm just quickly priming my eyes. I'm using this blush shade right here as my transition. So I'm going to do one eye first and then do the other eye. So next I'm using this Rose in the Air palette by Wet n Wild, and I'm taking this berry kind of shade. I'm putting that like so in an angle just at the outer corner. So this is my mom's sari, by the way, and नीचे मैंने pajama पहना है. Yeah, this is the Hypnotica eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this gold shade. Like, look at the pigmentations, you guys. I'll show you the pigmentations.
These, and let's see the purple, this beautiful pink, and this green. You see that? It's like super, super, super pigmented.
Then I'm taking this gold shade. You can take any gold shade, by the way. Look at the pigmentation. It's amazing. Like, you don't even need to spray it. Oh my goodness. The same brush, I'm taking this shade right here. It's like a champagne shade. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Miss Claire glitter. I'm using the K Beauty kajal in the same berry shade, and I'm going to smudge the kajal. I'm using the same highlighter, for my inner corners and the brow bone. Alright you guys, so I just very quickly did the other eye. I'm using the K-Beauty eyeliner. This is the falsies that I used. The mascara that I used was the Total Temptations one. For my lips, I'm using the Miss Claire Lip Cream 38. This is a really good shade for Indian skin tones, by the way. This is my face done. So that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you really like the video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye.